We are at 14167 Poppyfield Loop. It's unit 5722. It's a Bay Creek model, over 2,200 square feet. We've got a 2+ car garage in there with racetrack flooring. Really cool. Let's go inside. Okay, so our garage is downstairs with our understair storage. We're just going to keep going. This space here, you can really decorate with statues and artwork and make it really fun. I really like all that height in the ceiling. This is a super open floor plan. Am I right? You've got your dining room space here. There's also a little closet right behind you there. All the living room, huge kitchen, super open living, right? You've got 42-inch white cabinets. You've got trim detail up top. You've got crown molding almost everywhere in this house. She's upgraded with the lighting, the sconces, the Minka fans. Oh, and she's got tile in all the bedrooms too. And it all matches, so it's tiled throughout. Nice cohesive look for you. So fantastic. You've got walk-in pantry. I love those. You have under cabinet seating here. Obviously, huge living room, plenty of dining room space. And out here, we have a nice view of the preserve with our screened-in lanai. It's nice and quiet and peaceful out here. We have our owner's suite over here, so let's check it out. Again, with the crown molding, humongous room. Again, tiled throughout, so that's a nice upgrade that she did for you. Minka fans, 2 humongous, trust me on this, 2 humongous walk-in closets here. We've got a pocket door for privacy. We have 2 vanities here, a his and hers. We've got another pocket door for privacy there. And I love this seamless corner shower. So super fabulous. All right, let's go show you like a guest wing situation that they have. Okay, so over here we have another closet here. And then this door for privacy, just want to point it out because I love this little feature. Simple but fabulous. Laundry room here, a full bath here for your guests, and then 2 huge bedrooms. They're both pretty much identical. With the window on one end, you've got walk-in closets in both of them, and they can accommodate king-size bed, full-size bedroom furniture. All right, so if you want more information about this property, go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow me. You guys know what to do. There's going to be a link in the description below. You can follow that as well. But reach out to me. I would love to hear about your wish list.